Hello, welcome. My name is Adam Zing, and I am a co-founder of Lines on Clay Academic Journeys. Welcome to the course material or the academic journey on descriptive statistics, what data can and cannot tell you. I'll share a little bit of my backstory. I have 2 master's degrees from University of Michigan, one in financial engineering, the other in applied economics. And I am also a holder of the Chartered Financial Analyst designation, or the CFA. I have been a college professor for the last 10 years, and I have taught plenty of classes in business statistics. My wife, Lindsay, and I have also homeschooled/world schooled our 2 kids, Luke and Serena. And so I have predominantly been their math instructor. As a fun aside, while we were world schooling, our kids gained exposure to lots of cultures and geographical destinations. I believe that by the time my daughter was 12 years old, she had spent meaningful time in 28 countries around the world. One of the first questions that might be on your mind is statistics a math class? Now, I'm going to make the argument, no, it is actually a social science that uses a lot of math. But just for starters, let's acknowledge something. There are a lot of formulas, and those formulas generate numeric results. So in that sense, sure, statistics is a math class, but I would invite you to consider that economics is a study. It's a discipline where there are lots and lots of formulas, and we don't necessarily think of economics as a math class. The word statistics, the name statistics, comes from the same word as the government term, the state. And the fact is that governments, for time out of mind, going back thousands of years, have been interested in collecting, aggregating, and interpreting data about their population so that they could, for instance, have an understanding of their military capacity or their capacity to generate taxes, or how they should be spending the tax revenue that was available to them. So once again, we get this link, but we see that the data collection and interpretation is more of a social science than an outright procedure in mathematics. Statistics has been helped immensely by the efforts of very clever and innovative mathematicians. We do rely on a lot of formulas so that we can analyze our data and say things with greater precision than we would be able to say without the mathematics. I want to also set your mind at rest. We live in a world of tremendous technology, whether it's a simple calculator or an app, whether it's a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or a dedicated statistical software program, say like R. You are going to really not do the math yourself. You're not going to be cranking out the formulas. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be entering the formulas into this software, and the mathematicians and coders have already loaded it up for you, and the program's just going to spit out the result. Data and randomness go hand in hand. And so one major difference between a statistics course and a math course is very frequently with mathematics, we obtain a result and we're able to say things with great confidence and great precision. But in a statistics course, while we will use formulas and they'll generate numeric results for us, we always have to handle those results with quite a bit more humility, unless we are analyzing a very simple problem. So being a statistician does make you part mathematician, sure. But for that matter, it makes you part social scientist, it makes you part engineer, it makes you part designer. It's a field that's far less committed to rendering hard and fast answers, and it's more a discipline that concerns itself with how to ask fabulous questions about data and about the world around us. So if you are an inquisitive kind of individual that loves the idea of asking great questions in an organized way and obtaining the best results that you can from data, then this field and this course is going to be right up your alley. Welcome.